Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Krig C assault rifle. This weapon is a fan favorite in Call of Duty, known for its balanced fire rate and manageable recoil. It performs exceptionally well across many combat situations, making it a versatile choice for your loadout. Let's dive into the methods for acquiring this formidable firearm. The most straightforward way to get the Krig C is through the Battle Pass. As you play and complete in-game challenges, you will earn Battle Pass tokens. You can then use these tokens to unlock rewards. The Krig C is typically found as a free reward on page 6 of the Battle Pass, making it accessible without a premium purchase. If you missed a Battle Pass season or prefer a direct challenge, the Armory challenges offer another path. Navigate to the Barracks section in your game menu, then select Challenges and Armory. Here, you can choose the Krig C as your target weapon. You will then need to complete specific in-game tasks, often involving earning a certain amount of experience points to unlock it. To speed up your Krig C acquisition, focus on completing daily and weekly in-game challenges. These often provide significant experience points and Battle Pass token rewards. Also, remember to use any double XP tokens you might have, as they can drastically accelerate your Battle Pass progression. Consistent play is key to quickly adding this powerful rifle to your arsenal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.